Hi guys on YouTube, it's Laura Mitchell here. I'm just sitting here recording my washing machine. As you can see, it's a Candy Bianca 9 kg, and I just thought that I'd show you it because I'm thinking of starting to film again. The reason that I have started to film again is because I now have an iPad, and this enables me to film more easily. I'm not tied down to a computer at a desk anymore, so I can take this into the kitchen and film my washing machine for you. So I just thought I'd show you it, and I just wanted to and that's the drawer, detergent drawer, and in here is the drum. I show you the door, and yes, and the control panel. So yeah, like I said, I thought I might start making videos again, as I've got my iPad, and I'm looking to do a wash video in the next few days. It will be with my bedding and towels, because I did my daily load of laundry in it today, but I wasn't decided on whether I would be filming or not until now. So you'll probably look out for some videos in the next few days, and when they do upload, I hope you enjoy them. So I'm going to sign out now, and I thought that I would just say thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you look forward to seeing more videos coming from you soon. Many thanks. Bye bye.